amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo.
Welcome my friend from YouTube. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Like always, we are here in my pizzeria in Los Angeles, Provami Pizzeria on Melrose Avenue. Today I'm going to show you a very simple video, very quick and fast, because the Neapolitan pizza, it takes only 1 minute to make, approximately, and actually it's 1 minute and some. Let's go see together how long it will take the pizza. This video is about how long it's supposed to take a Neapolitan pizza to make. So even when you are busy, from the time that you get the ticket, that's how long it's supposed to take. Let's go see together how long it will take to make a Neapolitan pizza, from the stretching to cooking. Let's go together.
Bello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, narcisetto addolcino d'amor, delle belle turbando.
Let's go together, let's make this pizza. So this video, I'm not gonna editing the video, so it will be only one time. This way you take the time from when I put the dough here. Take the time and see how long it will take. Together. I'm not going fast, I go regular time. See, I'm not stopping the video, so we're gonna wait. I don't know how long it took then, maybe about 20 seconds, not sure, but I'm gonna see when I do the editing. I'm gonna put the time in there. So like you can see, it's very simple. When you have everything ready, tomato sauce, mozzarella, it takes really quick. It's really quick. The timing is really quick. So like now, we are cooking the pizza in a gas option. When it's wood option, you can control the temperature like you want to, but this is the approximately about 830 degrees. You guys are almost ready. We want to cook the pizza perfect. No rush, no rush. You know, for the pizza Napoletana, you want to give the right cook, because if it's too hot, the pizza will be too much chewy. So you want to keep the temperature in between, where the pizza gets crunchy and soft at the same time. So when I tell you, stop the time. So 3, 2, 1. Pizza is finally ready. So don't stop the video, go from there, don't stop the video, voila, done! Done, the pizza is ready, guys. Go from there. We're gonna put some basil. I like to put the basil after, this way the flavor is a little bit more. It gives you a little bit more flavor. I put a little bit of basil. Gonna put some fresh olive oil. Nice. Voila! pizza is finally ready. It's still smoky. Like you can see, it's crunchy and soft at the same time, but the pizza holds really well because the oven was not too hot. When it's too hot, it gets too chewy. So you want to get the right time. And when it's low, the mozzarella, it starts to bubble. So you want something between. And with gas option, 800 is perfect. So Nati guys, hope you enjoyed this video and please leave a thumbs up for this channel to be supported. Thank you from Maestro Iacopelli. I'll see you the next week. Every week, 2-3 videos. Stay tuned. Ciao!